Hello, my name is Brad from Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire, and today I am going to be taking you around this Volkswagen approved used vehicle. Here today we have the stunning Volkswagen Caddy C20 California Maxi TDI 7sp DSG, presented in that much desired deep black pearl paint. This is a 2-litre diesel engine with 122 PS power output. This is also a part of the approved used programme with a minimum of 12 months manufacturer's warranty and much more. Here we have the 16-inch silver Weian alloy wheels. We also have some VW badging there, and directly underneath your registration plate is your front assist. And along your front bumper you have some colour coordinated front parking sensors, which are also located in your rear bumper for your rear parking sensors, which are also colour coordinated. Some Caddy badging dotted around the van, along with some California stickers, which can be located on either side. Opening up the tailgate on this California Maxi reveals ample of space for manoeuvring in and around the area of the vehicle. On entry you are met by some storage units which can all be stored and put away, maximising the space within the back of this Caddy. Located on either side is some zip storage bags, perfect for storing and securing any personal belongings. And directly underneath we have the housing unit for your chairs and table, which come included with the California Maxi. And just to the left we have your pull-out kitchenette, which has your one cook hob with stainless steel worktop, and directly underneath is a storage space for all your kitchen utensils. We also have additional lighting controls. The bed can also be fully flat and can fit 2 people on this extremely comfortable mattress. Just another angle from the side sliding doors of the bed. There is also some more additional lighting located within the ceiling, along with your fixed panoramic glass sunroof. And once the bed is folded away, you're met by a 3-seater bench, which is split into a 2-1 format and can be folded away. Also located on the back of the driver's and front passenger seats is folding tables. Now we get our first look at the driver's cab. A quick look at your electric windows and heated wing mirrors there. Your multifunctional steering wheel, which we will touch on later on in the video. Your driver's and passenger seats there. As you can see, it's extremely spacious, and along that dashboard you have some storage areas, perfect for any smaller personal belongings. To the left of your multifunctional steering wheel we have your cruise control, allowing you to set your required speed and also increase and decrease your speed. And to the right we have your voice activation control. Moving on to the center console now, I'm just going to go through a few of the many features it has. We start off with the digital radio, where you're able to listen to and find all your favourite radio stations and save them onto the system whilst on the go. We also have the choice of FM there. You can also connect your mobile device via Bluetooth. You have your navigation, which is extremely easy to use to find your required destination and gives you multiple route guidances. A quick look at your front and rear parking sensors there, allowing for extra safety when reversing and parking your vehicle. A look at your electronically controlled air conditioning system. Smaller storage compartments and a couple of USB seats, along with your DSG automatic gear stick there. Also some cup holders, and once again panning around that dashboard you see that extremely spacious area for any smaller personal belongings. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01772 911 356 or inquire online now. Thanks for watching.